In this video, I will show how to change a motor for a Jqueen Automatic Watch Winder. First, I will unplug the watch winder and remove all my watches. Remove the holder by turning it counterclockwise quarter of a turn, just like that, not to break the prongs, like I did after pulling it out without making a turn. A cup is held in place by one screw. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the cup. Pull it towards you to remove the cup. Do the same thing for the second one. Two screws hold the dashboard in place. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. To open the dashboard, you can use any flat item. In my case, I was using a letter opener and just gently pull it away. Now you can see the dashboard comes out. This is a new motor I received. Remove the motor from the package. To take out the old motor, first unplug it from the board, and then you have 4 screws that hold it in place. Using the same Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 screws. The motor will easily come off the board. Just pull it out. You successfully remove the motor. To put the new motor in, we will do all the same steps in the reverse order. First, put the motor in. Make sure that the holes on the motor are aligned to the ones on the dashboard. Put the 4 screws in, and using the same Phillips screwdriver, screw it in. After you screw all the 4 screws in, use the connector to plug it in back into the board. Now easily slide the board back into its place. It will just nicely fit in. Use the 2 longer screws, put them into holes, make sure that they are aligned to the back, and screw them back in. After this is done, you have to put the cup back into place. You have to align the cup to the board and just push it in. Do the same thing for both cups. After this is done, we're going to put back the screws to keep the cups in place. Again, using the same screwdriver, just screw it back in. After this is done, we're going to put the holder back in place. Align it, put it in, and make a quarter of a turn clockwise to lock it in place. Do the same thing for the second one. We successfully replaced the motor. Now we have to put all the watches back into place. They fit really nicely, and after it's all in place, we have to test it out if the motor works quietly and no issues with our replacement.